Welcome back to my channel, and today me and Asa will be making Make Your Own Galaxy Slimy Gloop. And it says add sparkling glitter. So let's open it up and make slime. Yeah.
Right, let's do that.
Yeah. We're supposed to put the tape off. No, I know. Look, I know. Let's see.
No, don't fight. Yeah, take your time.
Right here.
There you go.
Oh, wow. Wow. It goes.
How many colors are
Wow. Two.
there? Just two colors?
Yeah.
So do you think we need two bowls?
No.
No?
We're mixing it together.
Oh, really?
This is cool.
Alright,
Is that
more
why?
slime.
This is. Oh no! I made a
That's
mess.
good. Now pour in there.
Accidentally made
It's
it.
okay. It's alright. Good job. Alright.
Just
Put
stir
this
it, I think.
right here. Oh,
No,
that's alright.
I
Okay,
think it's-
now it says right here, fill, stir it. So go ahead, Elsie,
Stir-
stir it.
stir that?
Stir it. Oh, stir it with the plastic spoon until
Okay.
sodium dissolves. So, go ahead, stir it. Want to show it? Want to show it to the camera?
Yeah. So we want to stop.
Yeah, squeeze more. Squeeze
Tell
hard.
me when to stop, okay, Daddy?
Squeeze hard with two hands.
Whoa!
Whoa, is that awesome?
Yeah!
Awesome. Awesome. That looks like Elmer's
Oh
glue.
no. Yes, it does. It's emergency. Kind of looks like Melo.
Says pour
Has
the
an
white
emergency.
glue into the second cup of warm water. Stir
Yes,
nice
I'm
and
done.
steady. Keep stirring. Go ahead and do it.
I want the blue slime.
Okay, so then you go over here. Do over here. 2 drops.
I like the blue slime.
Okay, that's blue.
Daddy,
Mhm.
I'm not going to put it.
Yeah, right here. This one. 2 drops only. Ah, 2 drops only. How many drops? Okay, that's good.
Daddy,
Alright.
I'm on blue Is too. it purple?
Okay, alright,
So
okay.
since it's a galaxy slime, we're supposed to put the purple in.
Okay, now once the
Maybe
2
put
drops,
it, Daddy.
stir it evenly.
It's taking forever.
Let me take a look. You want to get in? Zoom in.
Daddy,
Yeah.
Daddy,
Yes.
I wish I should do mine to melt too.
Let's have.
And it's baby blue now. Okay, can I see? Can I see baby blue?
Okay, now you want to pour this in.
Guys, look at me.
Okay, Austin. Oh wow, you look like a spaceman. Okay.
Yeah.
The more drops you add, the darker the color will be. Good. Okay, mix half. Okay, mix in half of the glitter. Where's your glitter at?
Right
Okay.
here.
All right. Let's go ahead and mix your glitter.
Daddy,
Good.
Daddy,
Okay.
Daddy, I want to pour it in my
Okay.
cup.
Mix in half.
Daddy, I want to pour it in my cup.
Okay. Well, it's gonna your cup and her cup's gonna be the same cup. Okay, when she's done. So pour in half of it. All over. Okay, that's half. All right. Is that half?
Yep.
Okay. Stir it. Yep, now stir it. Hey, hold on. Make sure that don't get in your eye. Put that down. Remember, you have to be safe, okay? Be safe for your fans. You have to be safe for your YouTube fans, okay?
Oh, okay. These feel good.
Okay, now we're gonna pour that. Now, Austin, can you slowly pour that in there? No, don't pour that in there. No, pour this in here. Okay. Okay, go.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Pour it
Pour that in
all.
there. Slowly, boy. Okay, good.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, good. Stir it good.
Are we supposed to put purple
It's
in
okay.
here?
Austin Boston's first time. It's all of our first time, so we're learning, right?
Yeah.
How's it look like?
Dad.
Want to show your buddies?
Daddy.
It looks like slime already, huh?
I wish I-
You have to slow down when you pour it, okay? Okay? Slowly pour it in, okay? Alright? Oh my
Daddy.
gosh. Show your buddies.
Daddy. Daddy, I want to put the purple in here.
Not
Daddy?
yet. We're gonna do a separate purple right after this.
Daddy,
What?
I wish I should have my own slime.
Yeah, we're gonna make it. This is yours. She made you your purple, your blue slime. Now she's gonna make her purple slime. Okay?
And then after that, we get to make a galaxy one. Together.
Isn't this the galaxy one?
Huh?
That is galaxy.
Oh, is it? Put it inside the bowl. Okay. I want to do
You want to
that.
show your buddies
Yeah, I
on
wanna
YouTube? Okay, how about let Austin show? Austin, you want to show your buddies on YouTube?
Yeah.
Show them. Pull some of the goop or is it gloop? Gloop.
The
Okay.
slime.
Yep. Good. What do you have? Oh, look at it. Oh,
Do
that's
this.
gross.
No.
Oh, that's
Tap
cool. And it's gross at the same time. Yuck.
Yuck. No.
Can I eat some?
No. Don't eat slime.
Ew.
Daddy, don't eat slime.
Yeah, you're right. You're funny.
Okay, so what are we supposed to do next?
Let's take a look at the cup in that cup right there. Are there any more?
No.
You sure?
I don't
Let's
think.
take a look. Okay, yeah, there's no more.
Ew.
Alright, you guys ready to make the purple one?
Yeah.
So that way we can make the galaxy together?
Yep.
Alright.
Scoopy. Ew.
Alright.
Why did you do that, Daddy?
I'm sorry.
Look.
Alright, now let's make the purple one, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, again.
Mommy. See that,
Am I
guys?
supposed to watch this because we're going to put the salt in there?
Okay, I'm gonna bring you some warm water.
Touch again.
Scoopy.
Touch again. Touch it.
Go for it, Austin. Couple drops.
What? No.
It's working. Good. More?
More?
Not
Let me do
strong enough. Okay, good.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Okay. One more drop. Okay, that's good.
Good.
And now we.
Yeah, go for it.
I'm gonna stir it too. Let me stir it. Okay, maybe that's a bad idea. Mix it over there too. Wow!
Over there too. Okay, that's good.
Let galaxy slime now.
Okay, can I try?
Oh yeah, huh? It does look like galaxy now, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, finally.
I want galaxy slime.
Does that look like galaxy or does that look like...
Don't put slime on me. Don't put slime on me. Put slime on
Alright.
slime. Hey!
Bye guys. See you next time. Bye.
Bye! And
Oh yeah,
subscribe.
and also check out
To our
Austin.
channel.
And also
Austin's
check
channel.
out Austin's new channel, okay? Go ahead, go for
Name
it.
Austin.
Stop.
Toy time with the toy time, right? Just toy time. Yeah. Toy time.
Toy time.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Toy time.
Bye.
Say bye, toy time.
Bye, toy time.